Hey guys, John, Vapor Hunting Technologies here today. I want to show off the brand new VH1200P cabinet. This cabinet will be an open loop and closed loop, so we'll have the base form and the FL form. Some of the few differences here, this will be the base form that you see here, minus the closed loop tanks and the precision regulator. You will have a regulator on the front, but not the precision. Also, the base model has window rinse, no window wiper, and of course, again, no closed loop. But you do have very good lighting in the base model. We have 2 LED light bars in this cabinet, tons of light. If you go up to the FL, the closed loop version, you'll get the closed loop tanks, you'll get the precision regulator, all the filters, all of the good solenoid component goodies that go up to a higher pressure of running, and of course a window wiper and 3 LED lights in the cabinet. This is a 40-40 work area. This cabinet will hold anything that you need. Some people have been asking about floor supporting. This cabinet will come with floor supports. It's such a bigger floor than our 800 series or our 1000, so we have to put supporting members in there for you. So hopefully you guys can enjoy this, and if you guys have questions on this model, please give the sales team a call or shoot them an email. They're always here and happy to help. Thanks for watching.